Now benzene, when we treat it with methyl chloride or any alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, we know that this is Friedel-Crafts reagent. Okay, it helps in the substitution of alkyl on the benzene, so you can increase the carbon on the benzene. Now since we have added here CH3Cl, CH3 got substituted and you are getting toluene from benzene. Okay, now after the toluene formation, toluene can be oxidized by alkaline KMnO4 to get benzoic acid. So whatever be the alkyl on the benzene, by the oxidizing agent alkaline KMnO4, it will be oxidized to carboxyl group. So you will be getting ultimately benzoic acid. Okay. Now benzoic acid, if it is treated with PCl5, we know that PCl5 is a chlorinating agent. It can substitute OH by Cl. Okay. So you are getting benzoyl chloride. And we know that benzoyl chloride is a very good reagent or very good reactant for the formation of benzaldehyde. Here we are using hydrogen in presence of palladium, barium sulfate, sulfur in boiling xylene. This reagent, we know that it is the reagent used for Rosenmann's reduction. Okay, so this is Rosenmann's reduction, and the benzoyl chloride will be getting reduced. Okay, Cl is getting reduced with substituted with hydrogen, and you are getting CHO group. Now benzaldehyde formed can be chlorinated. Substitution of chlorine can be done with the help of chlorine anhydrous ferric chloride, and that will be substituting chlorine on the benzene ring. Now this CHO group which is present on the benzene has directing influence, which is meta directing, and at the meta position chlorine will be coming. So children, you should know that whatever is the functional group on the benzene, that has a directing influence, either meta directing or ortho para directing. Since it is CHO, it will be showing meta directing effect, and it substituted the chlorine on the meta position. So you got metachlorobenzaldehyde. Now coming to the benzene again. Benzene, when it is treated with this is CH3COCl acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, the benzene gets substituted by COCH3. Okay, so this is called acetophenone. Acetophenone is formed, and if it is treated with chlorine anhydrous aluminum chloride, benzene gets substituted with chlorine. So this is the chlorine substituted on the benzene. Chlorobenzene is obtained. Now benzene, you know that can be formed also from benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, if it is treated with sodium hydroxide, first it will be forming sodium benzoate, and when it is treated with soda lime, it will be undergoing decarboxylation. Okay, so COO group is removed and it forms aromatic hydrocarbon. Benzene is formed. So benzene can be formed from benzoic acid by this method. And benzene also can be prepared from benzene disonium chloride by treating it with hypophosphorus acid and in presence of cuprous catalyst and hydrolyzed. Okay, so benzene disonium chloride will be converted to benzene. Now once benzoic acid is formed, ammonia, if you are going to add, this benzoic acid will be forming ammonium salt of benzoic acid, and ammonium benzoate is formed, and on heating you will get benzamide. Okay, benzamide is formed. H2O is removed. Heating, water is removed, and you will be getting benzamide. If you are giving ammonia heat together here, children, you will be knowing that benzoic acid directly changes to benzamide. And benzamide, if you are reacting with bromine potassium hydroxide heat, so this reagent, you know that it is Hoffman's bromamide reagent, and it will be undergoing degradation. One carbon is removed, this much is removed, and it will be forming aniline. So this is how you can decrease the carbon. So it is a step down reaction. Wherever you want to decrease the carbon, go through Hoffman's bromamide reaction, you will be getting aniline. Now suppose you want to retain the carbon number. Lithium aluminum hydride, if you are using, it is a reducing agent. Oxygen is replaced by hydrogen and you will be getting benzylamine. And suppose P2O5 is used, phosphorus pentoxide, which is a good dehydrating agent. Heat given, water is removed, H2O is removed, and it will convert it into cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene can be also reduced to benzylamine using lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so CH2NH2 is being formed here. Now aniline if it is treated with nitrous acid in presence of hydrochloric acid, 0 degrees Celsius, this is diazotization reaction. NH2 is converted into N2Cl. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. Benzene diazonium chloride, we know that it is used for preparing many organic compounds. Large number of organic compounds can be prepared, like chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene, so on, nitrobenzene, so on. We can get different types of iodobenzene, different fluorobenzene, so on. Different types of organic compounds can be prepared. Now if benzene diazonium chloride, if it is simply boiled, okay, suppose you are boiling the or steam distillation, if you are doing, you will be getting phenol as the product. You will be getting phenol as the product. Okay, so phenol will be formed by boiling or steam distillation of benzene diazonium chloride. Now phenol can be converted into different, you know that phenol can be converted into different compounds, like if it is treated with NH3, then it will be giving aniline, so on will be chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene can be converted into phenol by Dawes process. We know that by giving that condition we will be getting chlorobenzene converted to phenol. Okay, then chlorobenzene also can be converted into aniline by heating with ammonia in presence of cuprous oxide, 473 Kelvin, 60 atmosphere pressure. Chlorobenzene will be replaced to chlorine of the chlorobenzene can be replaced by NH2 group when heated with ammonia in presence of catalyst cuprous oxide, 473 Kelvin, 60 atmosphere pressure. Okay, so these are the certain reagents which can be used for the conversion from one to another. So few important reactions I have discussed. Even this acetophenol, since it is having CH3CO group, if you are going to react with iodine and NaOH, it is iodoform reaction. Okay, so since there is CH3CO group in this compound, naturally you will get iodoform, yellow precipitate of iodoform as the product. So children, so this is how certain reagents which can be used for the conversion from one to another.